There is a war going on the internet and in the investing world between the gold bugs and the crypto nerds. And there are those who think that cryptocurrency is the answer to everyone's prayers and that you must put all of your money into cryptocurrency. And if you put any money in gold, you're a dumbass, you're an old man, you're stupid, you're following outdated advice, and you need to update your thinking. And then there are people on the internet who think that Bitcoin is a fad and Bitcoin is some kind of hypey thing where it'll skyrocket and then suddenly go to zero. And what you really should invest in is things like gold and silver. And if you invest in crypto, you're a young, dumb moron and you need to grow up. Who is right? Who is wrong? At the end of this video, I will tell you exactly what the best strategy is for your long-term investing. So very much like the right versus left in the United States, and very much like other binary philosophies, there are a bunch of guys on the internet who get very, very upset and very, very angry when you talk about either investing in precious metals or investing in cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. These are the gold bugs and the crypto nerds. And there's a lot of debate between these two groups. There's a lot of anger from these two groups. I have encountered attacks from both sides because I invest in both of those things. If you have watched my content enough, you've seen comments on my blogs. As a matter of fact, even comments on this very YouTube channel of guys who just freak the fuck out when I start talking about buying gold or silver and storing gold and silver. And they say, oh, Caleb, you moron, you're giving outdated advice that your grandpa would give you. You need to buy cryptocurrency and stake your crypto. You'll make way more money than investing in that stupid gold. And then you will see comments, because I've gotten comments from these guys too, these Peter Schiff type guys who say, Bitcoin is so stupid. If you put your wealth in Bitcoin, you're a moron, or any other crypto. All cryptocurrency will go to zero. Crypto is just a temporary dumb thing that these dumb millennials are doing. You need to invest in something with real intrinsic value, which is gold and or silver and other precious metals. And we have gotten to the point where I have actually had to ban people off my various channels and blogs because they got so angry about this. They started attacking me personally. And as usual, ad hominem personal attacks are the only thing that are against the rules in terms of commenting on my content. You can disagree with me all you want. Matter of fact, I like it when people disagree with me as long as you don't go ad hominem, because when you go ad hominem, that means you've run out of points and I basically win and you're wasting everyone else's time. And so you got to go. But we have had people that get so angry about this on both sides. I've had to ban people because of this topic. That is how psychotic and irrational and angry and emotion-based people are about this. And so in this video, I'm going to kind of clear this up. When people say, don't buy gold, just get crypto, or the reverse, they are operating under the assumption that gold and crypto follow the exact same function. In other words, if you say to me, don't buy any gold, just do crypto instead, that advice assumes that gold services the exact same function in your investments and the exact same function in society as crypto. Does it? The answer is no. The objective, factual, logic-based answer is no. And the reverse is also true. If you were to disagree with that, you'd have to say to me that cryptocurrency is used in industry, that they use cryptocurrency to build cars, and in dentistry, like they do with gold, and in jewelry, like they do with gold. Do they? No. You would also have to say that all these big, giant central governments all over the world, the European Central Bank, China, India, Japan, the United States, who are hoarding gold right now, if that's right, you should be able to show me that all these central banks have realized that crypto is the answer and they should start disgorging and selling all their gold because gold is stupid now, right? Because now we have crypto. Have they done that? No. No central bank has sold any gold. Matter of fact, they're buying more gold. So gold and cryptocurrency are serving two very different functions in the economic world, and they serve two very different functions in your personal portfolio because they are not the same thing. And anyone who says, don't buy crypto, buy gold, or don't buy gold, buy crypto, is basically saying that gold and crypto are effectively the same thing. And you can easily replace one with the other and you will encounter no problems because they're basically functioning the exact same way. These people are stupid and or irrational because that is obviously not the case. The last time I checked, you can't use gold to fix someone's teeth. And the last time I checked, you can't go to the jewelry store and buy a diamond ring that's made out of Ethereum, last time I checked. I also can't take a bar of gold that I have and use it to buy something on the internet. Can I? No. So these two things serve very different functions. That's number one here. You've got to remember this. These are two very different investments and very different investment vehicles. Matter of fact, if you want more detail on how to get your investment life in order, you can join the Six-Figure Warrior Mentorship. Enrollment is now open, but just for a few more weeks. That is where you work with me one-on-one for an entire year for free, because you also get all my books, products, and everything else as soon as you sign up. You can go to alphafocusprogram.com. There is a deadline to sign up, so if you have any interest, you should go there right now and check it out. Now, does gold make as much money as crypto in terms of an investment? If you look at the value of gold over the past several years, has gold made money? Yes, I have made a lot of money with my gold that I own. I've made a lot of money with the silver that I own, quite a bit. It's done very, very nicely, and I'm very happy. As the Western world continues to collapse, precious metals will go up in value for various reasons, and I could go into these reasons in detail, but bottom line is most governments around the world don't know how to do anything except for print more money. The more money they print, generally speaking, over time, and this takes time, it doesn't happen immediately, but over time, the value of non-fiat assets will rise. Certainly that is the case with things like gold and silver. Matter of fact, silver will actually go up higher and faster than gold over the next 10 years because unlike gold, people run out of silver. Silver is a much more industrial metal than gold, so people mine it and immediately use it. They don't hoard it like they do gold. So for various reasons, silver is actually a better investment in terms of you making a lot of money over the long haul than gold, but gold is also very good. And as I've talked about, gold is what? Gold is an inflation hedge on your cash, as I've talked about many times in my blogs. What you have to do when you have a lot of cash is my recommendation is, and let me give you a disclaimer, I am not a certified financial professional. Please consult with a certified financial professional. Do not consider this financial or investment advice. In my layman's opinion, what you should do is take 30 to 50% of the cash you have and buy gold coins with it, because that way, if it's Western currency, when that currency collapses, the euro, the dollar, whatever, when that thing collapses, or goes into a state of inflation or even hyperinflation, your gold will increase in value and you won't lose your money. Now, can you use cryptocurrency the same way? Could you say, all right, you have a bunch of money in cash that you can't lose. You should take 40% of it and buy Bitcoin. No, that would be insane. That would be ridiculously stupid because cryptocurrency is not an inflation hedge. Now, that doesn't mean that cryptocurrency could and probably will make a lot of money or increase in value as inflationary things occur in the economies. It certainly has. And so that is the plus side of crypto, is that crypto, if you've been investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, what have you over the past several years like I have, and I've done many videos about this, you've made a lot of money. You've done very, very well, unless you were stupid when you got in, and a lot of people have done that too. If you were strategic and intelligent and relaxed and controlled your emotions, you have made a hell of a lot of money in cryptocurrency. I certainly have. So I've made a lot of money in gold. I've made a lot of money in crypto. I have made more money in crypto than I have with gold. I have. I've made a lot more money in crypto than I have with gold over the past 6, 7, 8 years. But making money is not my objective with my gold, because gold is not a place where I'm trying to make a killing and make a gazillion dollars. Gold is there in my investments as an insurance policy on my cash. It is not there as a get rich quick or get rich at all investment. That's what my cryptocurrency is for. Both. These things serve two different functions. That's why if you ever hear anyone on the internet say gold is stupid, gold is for grandpa, put everything into crypto, that person is an idiot. Because what they're saying is put everything you have into a speculative investment and you might lose your entire portfolio. That is dumb. Just like these old fogies who say cryptocurrency is a fad and is ridiculous and stupid, put it all into gold instead. That is also stupid because those guys have lost out on the tremendous gains that cryptocurrency has experienced over the past 4 or 5 years, and that many cryptocurrencies will continue to experience over the next several. Once again, gold or precious metals and cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, things like that are two completely different things and serve two completely different functions, both in society and in the financial world and in your own investment portfolio. Before I go on, one quick thing you need to do is you need to subscribe to this channel. You need to click the dumb notification bell. You need to like this video, and you should put a comment on this video, and you can say whatever you want in the comments. I don't really care. The more interactivity I get on this content, the more of this content I will provide for you. So you're just helping yourself. So what is the answer in terms of gold versus Bitcoin or crypto versus precious metals? The correct answer is you do both. You do both. You invest in both. If you invest in just one or the other, you are damaging the strengths of one or the other, and you want to benefit from both. The reason I have done so well financially in my investments over the past few years. In 2020, I increased my entire portfolio by 140% plus. I more than doubled my entire net worth in my investment portfolio because I had crypto and gold. I had both. And not just last year, I've done very well with both. You want to use crypto as a speculative investment where it's a little more risky, or maybe even a lot more risky. And you could lose it all, but you could make a lot of money you couldn't make with gold. And then you buy gold and or other precious metals like silver as a long-term, more stable investment to hedge against inflation. You do both. You will notice on my content, if you've been watching my content a long time, that I talk about both. As usual, I am objective. I don't take sides. I don't get emotional. I control my emotions. I'm not irrational. I look at the strengths of both and I take advantage of the strengths of both. Just like I'm not a Trump supporter or a left-winger because both of those ideologies are fundamentally irrational. Just like I'm not an atheist or a Christian because both of those ideologies are fundamentally irrational. I'm objective. I take the strengths of both and operate within the real world regardless of what my personal opinions are. I actually think, in terms of my personal opinions, if you wanted to know, I think cryptocurrency is a lot more exciting than gold. It is. It's a lot more fun and exciting than gold. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to buy any gold. Are you crazy? No, or silver. I own a lot of both of those things. I have stuff all over the world. And as my wealth continues, I will continue to purchase more gold and silver and other precious metals, perhaps. And I will certainly purchase more cryptocurrencies. I will do both. I'm not going to fall into one of these irrational, angry camps about gold is for old men and crypto is for dumbasses. I do both. And guess what? So far, that has worked. I have made a lot of money on both. Both. Yes, I've made more money with crypto, but I've made plenty of money on my gold and my silver. And I'm going to keep my gold and my silver as long as I maintain a lot of cash holdings, which I do. I want to make sure the value of my cash is protected by the fact that I own gold, which doesn't really happen with crypto. But crypto makes me a lot of money, so I get that too. So anytime from now on, if you see anyone on the internet, even if you like other things they say, and they say something about how cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is stupid, you should buy gold, or how buying gold and silver and storing gold and silver in a vault is ridiculous and stupid, and that's for grandpa, and that's from the 1800s. If you see anyone saying those things, immediately remember these people are being fundamentally biased and fundamentally irrational. You need both. Hey, I like a lot of these crypto guys who hate gold. I like guys who love gold and hate crypto, like Peter Schiff. I like guys like that, and so I listen to the things they say that are irrational, but I filter out all the stupid shit they say that is irrational, especially this gold versus crypto thing, which is just ridiculous. Just remember that both precious metals and crypto have a place in your portfolio. Now, we could talk about the percentages of how much you should put into each. I can't really give advice on that because that really varies based on your age, your income, your future plans, how much debt you have, a lot of factors that will vary from guy to guy that I can't give you details on. But I'm saying you should have both in your portfolio. I certainly do, and I'm very happy that I do. I will see you in the next video. Have fun. Bye.